We just had brekkie. I finished my gridding the other way. I only found the one target that was just outside my grid line. I like to extend a bit. I'm going to let you hear what it sounds like with the SDC. You want to just chuck your coil over there a bit further away, bro? Thanks. Can you hear that? That is what a little nug sounds like with the SDC. Now we're going to get Dave with his Nugget Finder, and you can have a listen to how that sounds with the Nugget Finder coil. And then we'll grab the x-coil and you can hear what that sounds like. So this was the only target I found going that way. I haven't done the full length though, I'll do that later. And I've got to go diagonal now. Nugget buddy?
Yep.
Alright. Now I'm going to go get the, hopefully you can see that. I'm going to go get the x-coil. The same target now with the x-coil. Hear how clear that is. Clear as day with the x-coil. So go with the Nugget Finder again. Just to hear the difference. And then we'll dig out the nug and see how big she is. See the slight difference? That's clear, but did you hear how clear the x-coil was?
Oh yeah.
There was another level. So there you go. Let's actually, we'll dig them out. Keep your machine going, brother. So these have all been shallow nugs. Oh no, it's here. I'm pretty sure it's not here. Shall we up with it? Come on, bloody jolly colour. Right, let's get it out of the scoop. Still ready, bro? Still there. Oh,
Nice little nug.
nice. Nice little bit that. Nice little nuggy. That's 3 from gridding.